Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to create ad designs for social media platforms using Canva. So this is the Canvas dashboard. Now simply to create a design, select create a design, then choose whiteboard. Now head over to the elements tab and search here for a background. Now select any of the background that you like. For example, let's use red background. Now let's select this background. Now before we set its position and resolution, let's check what is the size of Google's ad. So here you can see that it's 300 by 250 for a squared ad size. So we are going to use this size here. Now let's put the numbers 250 and 300. Now let's add some more elements, like let's put a dish, select photos, and now let's select this photo. Now let's click on edit image. We don't want the background, we just want this area. Select background remover. It will take a little bit of your time. Now as we have our dish here, let's reposition this and put it onto the middle section of the poster. Now let's go back again into the elements tab and search for smoke. Select any of the designs that you like. Let's use this one. Adjust its size and position. Drag over to this layer. Let's make one more copy and paste. Let's adjust its transparency level. Click on edit image. Now blur. Select blur's intensity and then just brush over the layer, and here it'll just blur the area. Now we will go back and see we have our blurred smoked blur. Yes, perfect. Here we have our dish. Now let's put more elements like cup of soda. Now adjust its size. Now, as we have these two elements, now let's put a table. Here, let's select this table. Let's adjust its size. Let's make it wider. Perfect. Now we are going to bring it to the front. Select position to adjust the layers. The same way. Now we are going to adjust these smokes. Perfect. Now let's put a text. Select on elements, select text, add a text box, then write anything that you like. For me, I will be adding hungry. Now let's select a font design. Now choose any color. Now let's add effects, lift, and the intensity 100. Now let's put one more element. Select graphics. Let's use this one. Let's change its color. Let's adjust its transparency. Now select text again. Let's put a random number, for example, 5 or $6. Let's put $7, and we're going to make it black. Let's make it red, or pick up the color from this area. Perfect. Now let's make it red too, but this time we're going to put outline. Select its outline color, and now the intensity and thickness of the outline. Now also this one, let's make it lifted, or let's use outline, same as the last one. Now change its thickness. Perfect. You can also add this dish name. Let's put biryani kebab, and now rotate. Let's rotate this. Let's make sure it's on 90 degree. Now let's change its font size 10. Now we can increase it. Let's put lift effect. Perfect. Now let's change its font design again. So we have here a simple looking design. I think it's looking good. Good enough. Perfect. So this is the design. Now We can also and change the background color and make it look brighter with these effects. Also, we can customize these elements color. Let's adjust the color. Same way, let's change vibrance of the soda. So here's a simple looking design. So this is how you can create simple looking or more advanced looking ad designs for social media platforms. Now to save or to download your ad, simply click on share and hit download. Then select PNG or JPG or any other formats. Make sure that it on 1920, same aspect of your resolution, same aspect as the monitor. Then select transparent background and hit enter. So this is how you can create ad designs for social media platforms. Thank you for watching.